stink. I'm smelly. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I'm just in here. Like, hold on. Had to take a piss in the water can. Deep out. Deep out. I smell so bad. What's good? It's your boy Jay, 2 times. You gotta send it 2 times. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 24 hours in my car. I got some food in here. I got some drinks in here with me. I'm in here for 24 hours. So I can't drive it. I'm gonna literally be in the same spot for 24 hours. I'm not going to a gas station because I'm gonna be in here. So put that right there. Look at the fog on my. It's morning time. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So we in here for 24 hours. And I'm gonna just take y'all along this whole journey with me. Being in the car for 24 hours. I don't know how I'm gonna go to the bathroom. It is what it is. I'm gonna hold that thing. So, put you right up here. What I'm probably gonna do is, since it's still morning time, I'm probably just gonna head to sleep. It's cold in here too. I'm in here bundled up. It's definitely cold. So I'm probably just gonna go to sleep. And I'll be back on during the day. So I'm still alive. I'm still in here. I'm still 11:27. I'm still haven't left this car. Same clothes. It's getting hot. If you don't believe me, look at this. I brought some ice cream with me. Oh, can you see? There it goes. Wow, man. Damn, melted. Like, I've been, this ice cream been in this car this whole time. It's melted. I actually just woke up like 10-15 minutes ago. 10-15 minutes ago. I'm just in here crushing this ice cream, melted ice cream, because it's so hot. Oh, I'm not capping. I'm doing 24 hours in the car. It's really hot in here. Like I'm hot. That's why I woke up for real. I was like blazing right under the sun. You can see on the sun on my face. Like, I'm serious. But still in here, man. I'm the only YouTuber that I really do the things I say. It's no script, no fake, no playing it. Yes, I'm really in this car for 24 hours. Haven't moved in the same spot. Oh, I'm going through it now. It's hot in here. I ain't bringing enough water. Mouth is dry, so now I'm just,
No, he wasn't ready. He wasn't ready.
Let the sun go down. It would feel better if it just rained. If it just rained on me. Oh, so hot. I guess just in here, just playing spades on my phone, watching Netflix on my phone, just in here, just chilling. Got my charger in here. Guess I'll be on a little later. Going through it. I'm going through it. I don't know if you can see this. I'm in here sweating. It's now, what time is it? I'm in here sweating. It's now 4:07. Oh my gosh. I stink. Smelly. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I'm just in here. Like, hold on. Had to take a piss in the water can. Like, I'm going through it, man. I'm going through it. But, oh my gosh. I'm just on here, man. But right now, this is bad. I'm like in here sweating. Been in here this whole time. Don't know what else to do. I can't watch no more Netflix movie. I'm just all done. I watched them all. I'm going through it. I'm going through it. Deep out. Deep out. I smell so bad. I smell so bad. Time just need to go fast, please. Oh, I'm sweating. Guess I'll be back on, I don't know, watch some YouTube. I've been watching Netflix this whole time. I could go on YouTube, but I'm just want time to speed up. Hurry up. I guess I'll be back on later. So we're still in here. Still in here.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT!
Still in here. What time is it now? It is 8:22. I'm still in here, man. But kind of started enjoying myself. Went to YouTube, watching. Still on Netflix, but yeah, look, still in this car. Getting dark out. I would never do this again. Cause this I went through. I still stink hot, and now I'm cold. Like I'm sweating. Now I got chills. I'm still here, guys. Still here.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
I'm not even tired. 8:22. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to sleep. Probably like 11, 12. So I'll get on when I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm here. Woo. So I did it 24 hours in the car. I'm not recording on my phone. It's like 6:15 or something in the morning. I'm just ready to go in my bed. But I did it 24 hours in this car. Oh my gosh. Got the heat on. But what I need y'all to do is smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and we going up, man. We going up. I'm so uncomfortable, I'm tired, but 2 times is out.
Chad. Give me 5 L's to myself, and I'll be straight. Yes. I'ma burn this one though. So when I get out, y'all better have my shit ready too. Hold on. I told my niggas all I need is some good reefer. Yeah, it is that Armstrong, so it better have a beater. I love Mary Jane, she's a keeper. I'm putting cheese on top of dough like it's a pizza. I can't see shit, it's a blind night.